people were never going to get to experience. They didn't experience. I got to experience it. It changes the way you think for the rest of your life. It helped mold who I am and where I'm going.
The students that I had the opportunity to meet are driven, they're smart, they're responsible, they're determined. They're our future leaders, and I will tell you, I want to do everything I can to support them, because I want to retire one day, and I'm very comfortable doing that, knowing that our community is going to be in the hands of the students, and our businesses are going to be in the hands of the students that you're educating here at UAF.
What I love about my job is that I get to live and work and play in Alaska, which is awesome.